Hey everyone, I haven't posted a video in a while, but one of my hobbies is rebuilding instruments and building new instruments. Anyway, this I bought off of eBay, and it was almost, it was being sold for parts actually. So I don't know exactly, there was no maker's mark on the back here, and that's probably because it was, you know, some kind of a homemade neck. Looks like it might be one of those old Sears and Roebuck banjo pots here, but I can't really tell. Anyway, I totally rebuilt this thing and put a new rosewood fretboard on here and some new inlays and that kind of stuff, and it's got a nitrocellulose finish on it, and then a cowhide head on it, and you know, I polished it up and that type of thing, buffed it out. Anyway, here it goes. Oh yeah, the Grover tuning pegs, I've been having a real hard time. I've never used these friction type pegs before, and these are new, but had a real hard time keeping these things in tune, but I think I finally got it, so I'll give it a shot here. Not too bad, not too bad.